Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to skip do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device for an app of Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you, let me try to open this application. So you can see here, whenever I try to open this application, I'm getting one message saying, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So how we can skip this message that is showing up while opening the particular application? So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as skip UAC prompt. And the first is you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you'll see here download option. Just click on it. So find that the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Let's just double click it to extract the zip file. Let's just open the extracted folder. You will see here two files, skip USC into 64. So this is for 64-bit. And if you're using a 32-bit Windows operating system, then you can use the down one. So right now I'm using a Windows 64-bit. So I'm going to use this 64-bit version. So you can see this kind of user interface. So now just drag the software or app icon here directly, then it will get added. And now on your respective similar folder, you can see one new shortcut of this respective app icon is showing up. So you can delete the first app icon if you don't need. You can minimize it now. So let me try to reopen this newly created shortcut. So you can see here, it has skip. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device messages? So it's directly opening without showing me the earlier message, which I'm getting earlier. So it's working perfectly. And if you want to restore it back, then under the respective application, just select the respective application and click on this delete selected. Click on yes. Then it will delete the shortcut that it has created. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily skip do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device for an app of Windows very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.